GK questions on birds test your knowledge. I am black in color with melodious voice and I can sing during spring season. Who am I? I am cuckoo. I am the national bird of India. I dance during rainy season. Who am I? Peacock. I am called the night bird cause I don't sleep but hoot at night. Which bird am I? I am an owl. I am the largest bird in the world. I am an ostrich. I am the smallest bird in the world. Bee hummingbird. I am known as the fastest swimming bird. Penguin. Which bird has the longest eyesight? Eagle. Which bird can eat only when its head is upside down? Flamingo. Which bird makes the loudest sound? White-belled bird. Which birds are known as carnivores birds or birds of prey? Hawk, vulture and eagle. The name fish comes in my name. Which bird am I? Kingfisher. Name some birds which cannot fly. Kiwi, ostrich, penguin, rheas. Which body parts birds do not have? Teeth. Name the house built by birds during laying of eggs. Nest. I can make a hole in a tree trunk with my beak. Which bird am I? I am a woodpecker. I am the most common bird who eats seeds. Do you know me? Sparrow. I am a bird with strong curved beak and can imitate human sound. Parrot. I am an aquatic bird with broad, flat beak and small neck. Who am I? Duck. I am a bird known as symbol of peace. Dove. What is the name of journey made by many birds between their summer and winter homes? Migration. Which bird is known as bird of heavens and symbol of good fortune? Crane. I am an extremely intelligent omnivorous bird. I can eat flesh and plant grains both. I am a crow. What are the three most common types of feathers do birds have? Flight feathers, contour feathers, down feathers. Which bird can sleep while flying? Albatross. Here is a question for you. I am a bird well known as messenger for carrying post in ancient times. Share your answers in comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.